Yo, what's good? Before I start the series, before I get in the series, I want to give a big shout out to Nick R. I saw him post this version of his series on this, and I thought it was a great idea. So like, if you get mad at me for kind of stealing your flow, I guess I would understand, but I mean, I'm really just here to document my journey. That's kind of what I have been doing, but. Anyway, shout out to Nick R for giving me some inspiration. But every day pretty much just gonna go live, and we're just gonna back test every day until I can retire my parents, and we're just gonna keep on going and keep on going and keep on going. I kind of have been doing some things like this. I've been doing what are they called? Sorry, case studies on my channel. So check out those if you haven't already. I don't know if I will do case studies along with this because this is kind of like I don't know. I'm planning on doing these for at least like 1, 2, maybe 3, 4 hours at a time. I guess we'll see how it goes, but this is just day one. Let's get straight into it. So I just want to pick a random date and time, and then we'll just go from there. We can just do a random day generator. You just do this. We'll just do one date, and then yeah, we'll just go from here. And I want to do these all live, so have it be like if you want to come in here, and then we'll start. We'll do like 2016. I'll choose. I'll shoot. Get dates. Wait. Okay, we'll do 9/14/21, 2022, and we'll say we have 1,000 in the account balance. Yes. And Q, then YM. And just like whenever I backtest, personally, this is how I backtest. I don't like to backtest in a sense of like trying to pick correct entries. I don't like to do that. I just try to see what price did, and then how maybe if I did, I just look at it in terms of draw and liquidity. As simple as that. I just see where do I think the draw and liquidity is, and then I don't even really try to trade it. That's kind of what I do, and then just see what price did afterwards. You know, so I also do want to pull up a journal. I'll occasionally journal something on Notion, and then I also have a Discord. I have my own personal Discord that I kind of just starting to put together, but I have like some back testing within here, and then this is also like when I've done my some white slideshows. I've done stuff in here, and then I used to use Notion. Well, I kind of do use Notion still, but I do have a Notion back testing little thing as well. So, all right, yeah, let's get straight into it. I'll put on some. We'll just chill. We'll just chill. Okay. Yeah, hopefully I stay consistent with these. We'll see. I know I will. I know I will. All right, so it's 3:50 p.m. So we're just gonna go to next day open. The only thing I don't like about FX replay is one, I can't really use the indicators I like to use. I like to use new week opening gaps and new day opening gaps, and also this whenever like I go to the next session, it gets pretty laggy sometimes, and also like being there live in the market is just you can't really 100% replicate that, but this is as close as you can get. I want to see. I want to do. I've been trying to backtest some. Sorry, y'all. I've been trying to backtest. It's called digital time theory. If you heard of it. Open. I don't know if that would work. I wish I could have an indicator for that. I think FX Replay definitely needs to put something like that in there. Let's see. I'll look for it for like 2 minutes. If I don't see anything that would like that, I'm trying to look for like an opening. Like I can set an opening price for a certain time of day that would just like automatically like not like this with my midnight open and New York open. But I want to have it for a specific time. Uh, it's cool. It's cool. We can just backtest it after the fact. All right. So it looks like we just had CPI. Is that right? CPI. Shoot. Okay. Let's go full screen again. Tuesday. What was this? September 13th. And then it looks like we have FOMC next Wednesday. Yeah, CPI. Today we don't have any news. So first, let's just get a daily interpretation. Where are we at? So right here, currently institutional order flow. What is it? It's bearish here, but if we have SMT at the lows here, this could be something to note. Oh my gosh. I might have to put in the grave here. Wow. That was low key depressing. Y'all know what I feel like I've kind of like seen the chart, so I feel like I know that we are gonna go lower. But overall, bearish institutional order flow, I would say. This is just a retracement back up into discount of this leg here. OTE? Optimal trade entry. Also in these up close candles there. That's going to be a monthly order block, right? No, it's not. But yeah, we're just coming back up. So overall, bearish institutional order flow. We have these failure swings within the market. We've had a market structure shift. We pulled back to this order block. They got respected very well on and ES and NQ. Do we have SMT with Dow? I would say that would have been nice if we had SMT with Dow. So we kind of just had low resist liquidity signatures. We had a low resist liquidity run on Wednesday for CPI. Today's Thursday. We have lows that are resting below us here. Let's see what price wants to do here. This is not going to be I don't think it's going to be a valid low within the market. If anything, we're going to just come up to reprice to this inefficiency, and I don't expect this to get rebalanced. Do we have any sort of breaker here? I don't really see. So I'm taking a second just to get in tune with what the charts are doing. Yeah, so we have a 4-hour imbalance here. This honestly could be a good candidate. I don't expect this imbalance. This balance could cause displacement lower. So I'm looking at this imbalance and mainly this imbalance though. I could see these highs and maybe this imbalance up here. So let's see order flow here. We've had propulsion confirmed. I think we'll get 930 expansion here. I'm looking at this order block here. Are we going to respect this at market open or are we not? Do we have any form of maybe SMT here? We do actually. It looks like. No, we don't. Sorry. Okay, it looks like NQ is barely purchased these lows here. Sorry, y'all. I don't know why I'm saying sorry, y'all. What's good, OJ? How you doing? Yes, we do have SMT at these lows here. So, I'm definitely expecting to see this high here. Let's see. It kind of looks like today that we had. Let's see if we get expansion here at market open. All right, we have kind of consolidation. Maybe we upset that here at market open and then displace higher. All right, 930. 930 right here. Let's just see. We have where's the low resistance liquidity? Where's the low resistance liquidity? Right here. Every time market opens, I'm looking for where's the low resistance liquidity. We have it up here. Short term low resistance liquidity is right here. I would like to see us upset that, and then have it Judas. All right. So we upset this. We're within a 5-minute order block here. Do we have a short? Oh, we do. If we get displacement here, right below New York Open, I'll look to. Okay, we don't. Okay, so it looks like we want these lows now. We should have respected that if we were bullish. So I'm no longer looks bearish in my opinion, or bullish in my opinion, because we do have this imbalance here, and higher time frame institutional order flow is bearish. We have that imbalance we reprice to. This isn't really a valid SMT. It just would have been if we wanted to respect order flow. Okay. I want a standard deviation. Alright, that lines up. Okay. That's the Judas swing. Fair value gap in, fair value gap out. We're probably right into this high now. Right there. Order block right there. That's in the 950 macro too. I'm expecting buy side here. Oh, I was about to say, watch this reaccumulate in that. Wow. Okay. Overall, this could have been a day you just got chopped up. This could have been a day that you got chopped up. Or I would have got chopped up. What I like to do, let's look at this now. I like to look for 15-minute change of state delivery. And as we can see here, we have a 15-minute change of state delivery here at 9:30 or after 9:30. Wait, actually, this is an interesting delivery. So ES wants to come down and take these lows. That's what we wanted to do. So I guess you could have been short-term bearish here. Should I pull up both of them side by side? I might. So I don't know. This was an interesting AM session. What do we have though? We had a large range day the day before. So this can just solidify. Maybe don't look to really engage on days like this. Day after a large range day. I'm gonna create a category. What day is this? 7 is July 7 to backtest. What day is this? Wednesday. 9:22 after large range day. Okay, let's take a snapshot of that. Actually, I want to put annotations. I don't want to half-ass this. Notice after a large range day, price was not as concise. Low resistance liquidity signatures. Where's the SMT? Oh, right there. I don't know why I have two T's on there. Wait, does 10-10 start this move? Oh no, 10:30. 9:50 macro just consolidated. All right. So we have just taken buy side liquidity in that fair value gap. I kind of expect to see this fair value gap, honestly, and maybe this high here. Yeah, I definitely do. We could just create a fair value gap there. I want to see this fair value gap. Okay, this level should get bought again if we are bullish. Where's the 1150 macro? I go too fast. This could be a market maker buy model if we have SMT. I'm not really buying it. Not really buying the buy model. Break or mitigation there. Has ES taken these highs? No. This is just overall pretty low probability day here. Wow. And then we get aggressively repricing higher, indicating that we probably are gonna be bullish tomorrow. Okay. Very low probability. Consolidation day after large range day. Okay. Okay. This is 9:15 right now. What are we doing? Well, we've just came into this hourly imbalance here. Do we have SMT with YM maybe? Not even gonna look at that. Oh yeah, is that SMP? No, that YM's like actually looking correlated. So we have equal highs, at least on ES here. I think we might want to upset that. Coming back into a 15-minute imbalance here. Hourly order block. Hourly order block there at market open. We're below New York and midnight open. So do we have? It is a Friday too. I don't like trading Fridays personally. All right, order block right there. Where is the low resistance liquidity? We kind of have low resistance liquidity signatures up here, but it's not as crystal clear. But yeah, low resistance liquidity exists above market price. Do we have 8:30 news? We had to have. There's no way. Why does it say Thursday? So this is Thursday, but my indicator says Friday. I think I trust this more. Thursday? Oh, we had retail, and then we have 10. Oh, we had 8:30 news. I don't know. This just doesn't look as bearish. I would like if this was 8:30 news. I would have liked to see this be the manipulation, and then I would have liked to see this be the displacement higher. But then now we're coming back down to this level, showing us that, hey, maybe we're not as bearish as we thought we were. Let's see. Yeah. Let's see. Unless if we just soup this low, but I honestly doubt that. Yeah, I'm expecting displacement. Alright, hold up. We're still in. Are still within that 15-minute imbalance, but that would be kind of a reach. I think we need to take this sell side liquidity pool. Look at what order flow is. We have this 15-minute order block here. I think we are something like that. All right, 950 macro is about to open. ES has taken all these lows though. ES looks bullish. ES looks bullish here. Lowers this liquidity. Yeah, we're running towards this high low resistance. $9.50 to 10.10. That's your macro. Oh, notice how we barely take buy side liquidity. We barely run all this low resistance on ES. And now NASDAQ can head towards the lows that it wants to head to. So we take in buy side here within that 950 macro. Forming SMT. Fair value gap in, fair value gap out. Rejection block. Then now we're able to sell back off to these lows. Fair value gaps in, fair value gaps out. These don't get traded back too. Oh, this is a nice example of a reclaimed order block. Reclaimed order block right there. I'm gonna remove these. It's the order block on the left side of the curve that causes minor displacement. So normally if we're bearish here, this would be an order block. Right there. But we're not. We're seeking buy side liquidity. Come in. Macro. Macro right there. Comes up, takes buy side liquidity. Fair value gaps in, fair value gaps out. Rejection block we hold on to. And now we want to see these failure swings. Okay. Imagine price just reverses here. Alright, and now we look institutional order flow entry drill. Why? Why is this institutional order flow entry drill? this gap right here. Fair value gap in, fair value gap out. That's like my mom. I say that a lot now. Fair value gap in, fair value gap out. All right, so this morning session had me a little bit tripped up because I want to see sell side get delivered, but notice what we do here. Notice what we do here. Generate liquidity. Do we have SMT right there? I don't think so. I need to pull up these two. I want to pull up these two. I think TradingView and FX Replay need to like sign a deal together. Well, obviously, I think they do have a deal together, but they need to like incorporate a deal together to where they would make so much more money right there if they just said like, oh, we're going to have TradingView and Premium together, $50 a month. I would pay for that. All right, so we did have SMT there. Generated liquidity right above failure swings. We have failure swings up here. We have failure swings residing higher as well. SMT. Is there a high turn PDA as well? Whew. That's beautiful. Order block. That classic sell day. Look at that breaker. Thursday, 9/22 or 9/23. This was an interesting day because we generate a low here, but we come back up, offer fair value in the market, and then we displace. So not so quite A. That's why I think general rule, just wait for that 950 macro, you know? Because that 950 macro, not only do you have a 15-minute change of state delivery posted, this is what I have been backtesting as well. 930 change of state delivery here. So you see how we get 930 change of state delivery here? Or actually, yeah, right there. That just confirms higher prices. But we're only going higher to form an SMT in the market. That still could be a possible trade. And then we break down, and then we see lower prices here. All right, let's see what the rest of the day wants. I would assume we want to see lower than this. I would assume that we're definitely likely gonna head to these lows here, so I'll look at that low to be a target, and then I would look to be out of the market for that day. Possible IRL to ERL trade setup there. Do we have SMT? Looks like we do. Oh, I have ES loaded up over here. I'm tweaking. Yeah, we do. SMT at higher time PD array. Change state delivery there. Aggressive. Ooh. Notice when is this happening though? Like when is this happening? When does that aggressive candle happen? I don't know. I don't know. I'm not sure, eh? Copy that, put that in the little backtesting journal here. Soup right there. Okay, ES is taking that low. So you would look to get out of your position. Wow. SMT right there. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really like trading PM. I like to trade AM session. You know, you have a lot more advantages. And then yeah. Alright, so we just reprice up to this order block here. Fair value gap in, fair value gap out. That becomes very sensitive. Fair value gap. When does it get created? You have your PM session, silver bullet here. Where is this happening? Reaccumulation zone. We reprice. Oh, we come up right above midnight opening too. Take buy side here, which is really just a fair value gap. So lower. This is a higher time for a fair value gap. Oh, look at this balance price range. Fair value gap in, fair value gap out. Sorry, I'm a low. I need to stop saying that. We deliver right to this wick. And we end up getting displacement. And now we're close to this higher time frame drawn liquidity here. I'm curious about this standard deviation. Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh. Nut. Alright. Sorry, I didn't mean to say that. But you see what I'm saying though? Like this fair value gap's more sensitive because of this. You have a breaker as well. $25% low risk entry, 50% stop hunt, consolidation. I have been noticing on classic sell days, classic sell day and PM continuation. We get a nice fractal sell model to continue towards higher time and draw on liquidity. On classic sell days, so like London high day type, London high day, and then possible New York challenge that high day. Sorry, New York continuation, and then PM continuation. We get a nice PM session market maker sell model. I don't know if that's anything worth noting. And then look right where look exactly where silver bullet happens. I don't know if that's a coincidence or not. I'm not sure. Silver bullet hour as well. I need to change this indicator. Top. Oh, I can't change how thick it is. Oh, I was gonna do some backtesting on like some on digital time theory. These candles at 10:34 and 9:53 are they're called root candles. Pretty much, I don't know. I was trying to do some backtests with them, but basically they're gonna be like hidden liquidity candles. There's a good example of that today actually. I'm gonna pull it up. Very nice example of today. But I don't know, something I need to backtest, and I mean the fact that this happens, like I don't know. I don't know if that's random here. It also gives you indication of like power 3. Power 3. So we manipulate below. So we're in a discount here. We're in a discount here at the 10:34. And there's also ones for PM session, but since I normally try to trade AM session, that's normally what I care about is the AM session. So we get manipulation above this. I also know that I've seen something. It's called Trader Tim. I don't know. I've just been looking at everything. Trader Tim has something called like I think it's his, but like macro power 3. All right, to that breaker. I need to turn off this magnet. Wait, am I at? No. No. I gotta redo that whole thing. Ah, damn it. Dang it. Dang it. I need to make that one a little bit bigger. We had like seek and destroy conditions around market open. Kind of this whole day, honestly. I'm a 10 a.m. post the high there. So we get a 9:30 Judas swing lower. 10 a.m. reversal. Do we have news? Did it not? I feel like it said we had news. Yeah, that because that was 8:30. Oh, 10 a.m. reversal with 10 a.m. news. Now I'm confused. We only had 8:30 news? I thought we had 10 a.m. news too. Alright, whatever. $12.10 right there. $10 a.m. reversal. Classic sell day PM continuation. All right. I think we spent enough time on this day. I swear, backtesting goes by so quick. Like it's already been 40 minutes. Does not feel like that at all. Okay, it wasn't working for a minute. I need to go hourly. Oh, I clutched that. Right. I will skip that. I will skip market open. I do that so much. Overall, IOF on daily is bearish right here. Do we have any P rays that we might want to? Okay, so we do have this. Is that a weekly? Yeah, I would more look for this weekly order block here. We probably have some form of like new week opening gaps, new day opening gaps that I'm not able to see. So we do have a higher time frame array. Order flow's bearish. Just keep it like that. Order flow's bearish. Just keep it like that. Okay, yeah, EM. We do have S&T at the lows. NQ's looking bullish here. Where's the low resistance liquidity? At the highs. I wouldn't really look to engage in this. It's against higher time frame order flow. Come back lower one more time. Kind of seek and destroy market open. If we displace above this, I would trust this as a breaker. Where's my highlighter? If we trade above this, I would expect that to be a breaker. Okay, kind of just consolidation here. Let's see if 1010 starts stops sticking around. I don't really trust bullish sentiment here. We don't have any form of higher time frame structure, market structure, and lack of displacement here. Lack of displacement. That order block though, so now I would trust to see higher prices. We were below midnight open too. Okay, this area should get bought up here. Order block. We fell short of that. Please tell me ES took it. Okay, ES took it. ES was the bullish one here. Wait, no, ES did not take that high. ES looks nice here. ES looks manageable. I want to map out those the 953 and then 1034. $10.50 macro didn't really do much. I would assume this is bearish. So no, that's pretty. That's crazy. The fact that we posted a short, well, it was this imbalance here. Do we have SMT at the highs? Alright. That could have been a short. Is it within a macro? Yes, sir, it is. Back up to this 5-minute order block. What's mean threshold of this puppy? Didn't tap it. You had a 3-minute gap we didn't come into. Balanced price range. I didn't say it. I didn't say it. One minute for value gap here. 953 candle. Short-term reversal to buy side here. And then we have form SMT. And then we drop lower here. 950 macro, what do we do? Cause the reversal. Kind of just have some seek and destroy conditions here. We stop at a dime. Market isn't going to post a low in the market. Like that. Alright, so is this Friday? Does my indicator say Monday? Oh, it does. That's annoying. Guess it's 1 day late. Or 1 day early. Friday 9/24. I wish I could see more dynamics. Like, I would love to see new week opening gaps, new day opening gaps. Yeah, Y input and equal lows. Sell side taken. What type of period are we? What type of period are we in though? Kind of consolidation period. Hey, appreciate the sub, bro. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Basically, consolidation. Let's look at the daily chart. Alright, so this does become a market maker buy model here. First retracement, maybe? Ah, we got close to that. Do we have a 2 p.m. silver bullet? Yep, right here. Let's swing grade this. Another PM market maker model. Whoa. Whoa. That's a little crazy. Silver bullet right here. Boom, buy side. Alright. Let's go the next day and then the next day. Oh, it's because I have this up here. We're still in consolidation conditions. Where's the low resistance liquidity at market open? It's not clear, but we have this high. Right below this imbalance here, so this is definitely my draw on liquidity. That imbalance would definitely be my draw on liquidity. For sure. Alright, let's see if we draw into this propulsion. We do have these low resistance liquidity signature in the market. Alright, propulsion, displacement. Notice on the 15-minute, we get 930 expansion, 9:30 expansion after propulsion's confirmed on the 15-minute. In the buy side. What day? I'll say the 19th. Oh, I never I never copied this one. But yes, do. Same thing. Just propulsion though. YM barely taking that. This is when YM's actually correlated. YM's actually correlated. Recently, or at least in the market conditions we are in, YM's just not as closely correlated at all. So I guess just recognize that. All right, you missed your entry here. No worries, brother. We have a mitigation block here. Oh, you want to wait for 9? Cool. All right, just taking buy side liquidity there. Displacement lower, breaker. Fair value gap there. This looks like it's a new week opening gap, but I'm not gonna say it is because I don't. Sometimes I don't trust this data. I will see. I wanna this. I don't like trading. I like trading with order flow. That's why. What do you got stopped? It's just this is exactly what happened today too. We had a order block right here. The exact same thing happened today. Trade with order flow. Did I not copy? Come back down just to take. Ooh. Oh, if that engaged within a macro, that would have been nice. Divergence 2. Double purge. With SMT. Call an SMT. Call on SMT. Call on SMT. Alright. It's getting serious. It's getting serious here. It's getting serious here. We don't have enough displacement here, in my opinion. We're gonna come into this 15-minute mitigation one more time. Filling that fair value gap, returning that order block here. Change say delivery, fair value gap in, fair value gap out. Sell side taken within an imbalance within order block. Is that like crooked? No, I think it's straight. I don't know, my eyes. This could have been a trade. Little cheeky little fair value gap after order block confirmed, order flow. Oh, I was about to say, what? Only 8 points? But I realized it was on S&P. I was like, what is this, the 1940s? We in the 1940s out here. Ooh, look at that wick. Some little institutional sponsorship. How many points did that been on NQ? Oh yeah, oh yeah. There's your 40. There's your 40. Is it within a macro though? Not. Just about to be. Alright, low key, I'm just gonna simulate. I'm just gonna go to the end of the day. Like, I'm not even gonna do the patty cake like I'm there. I think I like backtesting more just by looking back at the data and what the data did. Oh wait, we had like we had FOMC coming up one day. Did we forget? Did I forget about that? Is it tomorrow? Yeah, it is tomorrow. It's pre-FOMC. So the W thing gets cap. So the W thing gets cap. Alright, sell side taken within imbalance. Wow, very a static market open. Where's low resistance liquidity at market open? Right there. This might have led to getting chopped up here. Pre-FOMC. Pre-FOMC. Pre. I think it's cap. See, I like this more peaceful in my opinion. Like if I'm looking at the charts, bro, I'm there to just see what price did. Like none of this like silly try to take a trade like you were there. I don't know. I maybe to like get yourself ready. And then 1150 is a turning point in the market. Or 1150 creates a turning point, draws in a buy side there. Guess what? Everybody get bin, everybody get out. It's probably a 5 minute for everybody get a little bit better. Yeah. Ooh. I swear I've seen. This is exactly. It's just not the same fractal that we saw like just a while ago. This fractal. I don't know if I have the 5 minute chart. It was this day here. Is it? Well, that's a different fractal of what I'm talking about. Okay, here's what I want to see as well. This. Look. Same exact fractal. Ooh, I didn't even notice that. Did we deliver right to that wick? If so, that would have been very nice. All right, how do I escape this? How do I escape? How do I escape out of this? Oh, it was there. Hello? They Oh, there we go. And then also this sell model here. We have fair value gaps in, fair value gaps out, balanced price range. We don't need to return, and we don't want to either. So fair value gap in, fair value gap out. I'm gonna say that a lot, but screw it. Fair value gap in. Fair value gap out. Take from me. So once we have a balanced price range, the breaker is going to be responsive. In this case, it was this as being the breaker. Because is that a 15 minute? Okay, that's kind of hindsight there. I would have liked to see this breaker. We just delivered to the wick. Okay. Why is that though? Is there a lower time frame thing? Is there someone on a lower time frame? Okay, we do deliver to the 1 minute. Yeah. Ooh. What? This is probably like 1 standard deviation move. Around. Or 1.5, sorry. Well, -1 is just a sell side there. What about this consolidation? Is this -4? Where else do we get displacement here? 1250. Okay, say you're not confident. You see this. You see that. All right, sell side taken now. Order block. Change side delivery. And we just redrop back into that balanced price range. We want to offer buy side. Probably 350. Whew. A lot of the times. Wait. What's that one day we had explosive move at market close? And I said like. Probably because we're bullish here. Oh, that was not. That was not accurate. It's not accurate. Oh, we just missed it. What about the bodies here? I want to cherry pick some standard deviations. Okay, the body. You ever just do that? Cherry pick some standard deviations? I don't know. I do that a lot. I mean, it's easy to do at hindsight, but standard deviation is just a confluence, you know? It's just like, oh, we had standard deviation? Cool. Oh, I thought that was the fractal over here. Oh, and we take that short-term low. I was watching ICT. I actually just finished core content, and if you look at core content, month 12, episode 4, the last episode, he talks about this exact thing. So yeah, it's definitely Pre-FOMC, giving us beautiful delivery. Beautiful. Breaker. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful reaccumulation. Very nice market maker buy model here. Very nice market maker buy model. Breaker. I want to look at ES. Do we have any respective? I'll pull it up over here because we're on the 1 minute chart. Oh. Oh wait, never mind. Hey, we had an SMT there. Is that in that silver bullet zone too? Nah, I'm guessing like over here, silver bullet zone. If we were to swing grade that. All the lows we should respect in bullish institutional order flow. We should soup every low or disrespect it. I want to look at the 953 candle and 1034. Boom. Drop below it into a discount. Okay, 1034. We're above it in a premium. All right. enough of that. Let's go into FOMC. We've been building up everything, just leading up for FOMC. FOMC. Notice after CPI, what have we done? What have we done, y'all? What have we done, y'all, after CPI? Absolutely nothing. Not a single thing in this market happened. I want to say that. I became a millionaire. Oh, I hate whenever you do two charts at once and they're not on the same time frame. It just becomes so much laggier. Oh, I need to do this. And even if you do two charts, it gets a little bit laggy when you skip forward. Alright, I do want to look at this before we hop in FOMC. Here, we'll do this. We'll do this live. Live trading, ES or Nasdaq. All right, so if we're looking at this, my eye is simply right here. Oops, that's the wrong thing. Right there. Look at that high engineered right above that. And then we have all these lows. They left all of these lows here. So we'll see if they want to run up to the imbalance first. Because this high, overall order flow is bearish. So this high could be protected. We'll see. Do we have an SMT there? We actually do. So that high should be protective, in my opinion. I don't know. Low key, like ICT says, oh, don't trade FOMC, don't trade. I mean, I feel like I wouldn't either, but low key, like the delivery on those, on like FOMC and NFP, and I would say CPI, I wouldn't be a fan of, but like things like this. I mean, $15-minute fair value. Oh, beautifully. What did ES do? No, I don't care about YM or ES put in equal highs. Oh, and just see that. How many points is that within one candle? 150 points in one candle. That's insane. That's also why you don't want to trade it. And maybe on like some random funded random funded. All right, now we're marking out 230. Let's see if we break down here. Hey, we want, yeah. I think, honestly, what I've noticed is with FOMC, what I've seen from my personal experience, I think 3 p.m. is the best time to get engaged, honestly. 3 p.m., like the last hour, I think that's the best. Probably gonna break down the sell side here. Do we have SMT? Smart money tool, smart money technique. That's all I use. Nah, like I don't know. I used to use SMT way too much. Way too much. Look how we reclaim. There's definitely got to be a new week opening gap or something that we reclaimed here. I would not be surprised. New week opening gap, new day opening gap that we reclaimed here. Without a doubt. Without a doubt. And also, we can use 2 p.m. as a session discount high low, or sorry, as your power 3 price. See, I think 3 p.m. provides very nice delivery. Oh, yeah. You have this balanced price range here. Oh. All right. Malay Mabi. Ain't no way you just saw me do that. I didn't think anyone was in here. I didn't realize anyone was in here. Yeah, I think 3 to 4 is low-key on FOMC days. Like I don't know, like FOMC just definitely something you don't want to get like into, or like if you don't know what you're doing, you're gonna get your ass handed to you. But like there's still precision elements on these days, but it's best to like not even risk it. But like when it's there, it's low-key there. Everybody got delivered to beautifully. Sell side. Notice how we barely purged. Notice how we barely purged sell side on an FOMC day. On an FOMC day, we barely purged sell side liquidity. Barely. That shows me intentions are likely that we want to revisit that. BPR. Oh. I do want to put this. I do need to have another category. FOMC. What day is this? 21, 22. We need to let it play out fully. I took 2 losses today. I want to give me what you think. I don't like especially with me being on social media, and I don't know. I don't like me discussing like how other people trade. I used to do that. I used to would want to give you advice, but not really anymore, honestly. I feel like that's just immature. I don't know. I can't really give you advice, you know. I would rather like just there's other people to get advice from. I don't know. I would just listen to like ICT Twitter space or something. That's what I would recommend. But, I mean, I give advice. I would just say the market's open tomorrow. I say that a lot because the market's gonna be open tomorrow. Oh, 9:30 already happened. All right. Oh, this could be a nice sell model here. ES and NQ are literally the same here. Literally the exact same. And we have a low resistance liquidity resting below us here. We do have short-term sell side there. We're definitely drawing here. Oh, 10 a.m. gives you a chance as well. This is very nice. This is beautiful. Thursday. What is this, 9:22? Oh, that's gorgeous. $15-minute order block too. Oh my gosh. Dirty. Dirty. Dirty, dirty. Dirty, dirty. If this is constant encroachment, I don't know what to say. It's about CE. It's about CE. It's about CE of that boy, that puppy. I don't know, I wish you could fix this. I don't know why FX replay you have to have that line right there. All right, but 9 a.m. Where are we at? 9:30 a.m. We've already had a stop on price. We've already returned to fair value. Oh my gosh. This is just gorgeous continuation. This is gorgeous. Just gorgeous. 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 Right here to this previous area. Buy side, sell side. We deliver buy side right there. Break down. Then we get a stop on here. Right in that fair value gap. Displacement. Looking for, we have displacement, and then we pull back fair value gap. Notice how we don't look to really imbalance anything else. We have a Judas swing, but we don't really need to go any higher. You have up close candles, down close candles. We respect these up close candles here. Displace lower, come back to this imbalance here, or to this order block here. Maybe I need to get off the 1 minute chart sometimes. Because I would have been like, oh, this 1 minute delivery is so bad. W title? Sure. It's gonna happen. I don't know, but I'm a for real be backtesting every day though. We'll see how long I do it. We'll see how long I do it. I know there might be one day there might be a day to when it's not, I don't know. I was looking back at my streams. And I can't believe I was like live for like 5 hours a day consistently for like a month and a half. I don't know if a month and a half, but I was live for a while. And I like that it just truly wasn't beneficial, honestly. I'd be like, yeah, I'm on live for longer, but I don't know. I like backtesting sessions a lot more because like there's more I get out of it. Because I'm not gonna lie, like sitting in front of the market in times in which you don't even want to trade, that's not gonna fit your personal model. I feel like it's just wasted time. Like, that's just like more chart time is good. I would not agree. I mean it is, but like, why are you even trying to trade when your model isn't there? You know. And I feel like part of that is because I was trying to find my model, but I'm still developing my model, but I know it's gonna be around the AM session for sure. All right, let's see if we get assist D here. So we failed to do so. I don't know. I don't like this. Let's see if we get displacement lower. Oh, that could be a good entry. I kind of want to take an entry here. The first entry of the stream. When I backtest, I really don't like to take trades. I don't. I just like to see what price does, you know, and then just annotate. We'll put some market order for here, and then screw it. We'll do another. I'm just gonna aim for that too. They're like right next to each other. It's cool though. Alright. This is why I don't place entries. That's why I don't place entries. PM session. I mean, low key, we're just rebalancing this order block. And we taking sell stops here. I don't see that. That's why I don't like trying to backtest, because then like whenever I backtest and I like try to take a trade, you know, it's all about like, oh, trying to take a trade, and then I have such a big ego to where I feel like I have to be right, and it like I just want to be right. I want to be right about the trade because I want to see that I'm progressing, but that's just me, bro. I have such a big ego. And that's part of the reason why I haven't been live trading. And I just, even then, like, I just have a draw on liquidity. I just go in the market with a draw on liquidity. Which is why, this is what I'm just going to stick to, like, when backtesting. I'm just going to have a draw on liquidity. And then just see how price delivers to that draw on liquidity. Because right here, that was my draw on liquidity. Okay, we ended up delivering. You know, coming back down, just this imbalance. We have a fair gap here. We don't respect it. And then we're waiting for that PM session silver bullet. You journal your back testing? I'll pull up my Discord just so you can see. I have like a little. I have a Discord that I have, like, it's just a personal Discord. Such Rage's journey. And then I've just been just some like annotations. And also, like, normally when I'll back test, like if I do it off stream, let me see. Wait, where would I have some? Let me pull up Notion. Where? Oh, here we go. This is what I have on Notion too. And then I kind of like this. This is what I'll do when I want to get like intensive with it. I don't have that much data. It looks so OD. Oh, it looks so good. Got you. I mean, I would recommend. I would recommend a lot, honestly. I mean, it's just something that like you're gonna look back on. You're gonna be like happy that you did it. I don't know. I just don't like how it doesn't organize it as well. Like we go into Notion. There's a template. Should I drop this in the Discord? I haven't really used it, but there's a. Oh, I also want to drop this in the Discord. This has every trading book, every trading book. Put that in the Discord. Where at? Free resources. Where is it? Here. I mess with this. It's like a template. I'm gonna get the link for it. It's in a Telegram. All right. Oh yeah, I like this is clean. That's why I like Notion too. It's just nice. I want to write uh Notion. All right, when you go into Notion, just do whenever you use Notion, this is how I use it. If I'm like, just press slash, do like forward and slash, and then that'll bring you up with like a bunch. It'll have so many commands here. So then just go into here and then just like just experiment and look at this. But I will say, go into here and then you can do like gallery view. Then you can do this. Is what I like to do. I like to do a calendar view. And then here you can go in here and then you can do add. This will add a page, and it'll say, "Oh, I took 2 trades today." I made a video on this before. I don't know. I think Notion's just such a nice material, but it's just like whenever you first load it up, you don't know what to do. But it's just a little bit more complicated than you think it is. And then here, you just go in here and then you have it. Which is why I kind of like it a little bit more than Discord. But I also like Discord just to post in tape readings. But also, I don't know, Discord can get a little bit cluttered. But then also, I feel like I don't really go back to my journals as much as I should. Like, realistically, I think going back and into your journals is what you should do. It's ideal. right, let's continue. I don't know how long we'll do this for. I need to edit my title. Is there a way I can edit my title? Should I say session or episode? Session 1 or episode 1? Hey, how it going, bro? You too. Session 1. I'll say day 1. I never saved it. Hold up. How do I... All right, now we're good. Now we're good. Session is better. I don't know. Session sounds like a jerk session. All right. Hold up. I want to change this to. Sorry, I want to change my. Is that the same? No, I want to change it to more cream. Oh my gosh. Like, not look the worst. Oh, that is the same color. Why does it look a little bit lighter here? Can you imagine? I don't know if I like that or not. It's like it's a little bit like yellowish, creamy-ish. So creamy. I do like it. Notice out here we came back to this imbalance here. SMT probably at this lows. No SMT. No SMT. What do we reaccumulate at? We have a breaker, midnight opening. Doing that hourly imbalance here. Is there a 5-minute model here? Not really, just straight buy side. Straight buy side. 5-minute fair value reaccumulated, and then we create a breaker here. High, low, higher, high, and then we break down, boom. This could be a. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, we're still displacing lower, continuing to. All right, market open already happened. Sorry, I kind of skipped it. We had an imbalance here. Yeah, drew into that imbalance. Where's the low resistance liquidity? Low resistance liquidity. They also have low resistance liquidity at here, but overall order flow is bearish. We draw on that liquidity here. All right, we're within this 950 macro. Actually, yeah, I don't want to. I kind of just want to see what price does. So here at 9:30 or at 9 a.m. we get just manipulation higher at 9 a.m. Create a wick. We rebalance into here, into this fair value gap. We draw into this fair value gap here. While IOF is still bearish. Check what ES is doing at the time. 9 a.m. Same thing. Institutional order flow entry drill. Displacement higher, displacement lower. 9:30. SysD. Come back up into that order block. This becomes very sensitive. And then we end up seeking lower prices. Is this standard deviation? Ah, oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous. Alright, let me open this up again. What day is this? Okay, Friday. Friday, 9/23. IOFED in 1 hour per hour. Very nice standard deviation. Look at that order block there. So in this case, we end up liquidating this. Wow. I'm just a wick because we have a fair value gap. Do you have any sort of I don't think we have a SMT. Break down order block right here. Fair value gaps in, fair value gaps out. It's balanced price range. How many points is this? That's still that's like a calm little 50. Calm little 50 bomb. Calm little 50 bomb. Nah, that's some hard earned 50 points right there. With deep analysis and market logic. With market logic and hard work, that is 50 points. Okay, I kind of want to load up. See, now this just looks like how do I add this to the entire layout? Oh, here we go. All right, what's going on here? Oh, we have SMT here. SMT there. Oh, this could have got you chopped up here. You could have been expecting SMT here in a 1050 macro. This could have been a trade. Fair value gap in, fair value gap out. That would have been a loss. That would have ended up then running to your T piece. But I mean, sell side's already taken. At 3 p.m., we just get rapid repricing higher. All right. Okay, I do want to see this. Oh, market already. I went a little bit too fast. What do we have here? You have order block propulsion. 930 expansion can happen. Expansion. All right. It's looking gonna be my last. I'll do one more day after this. Cause don't worry. We'll be back tomorrow. We will be back tomorrow. Do we have 10 a.m. news? No, we don't. So we took that high. It just broke down. Old buying will become new selling. We don't liquidate the original consolidation though. On ES we do. Oh my gosh. Trendline phantom there. Fair value gap in, fair value gap out. It gets respected. Sensitive fair value gap. Also a breaker. In line with that breaker. I would have liked this sell model to complete. But ES did, so. This would be your low-hanging fruit objective here. Oh. 1150 macro. 1050 macro was also another good. Ow. 1050 macro gave you that breaker entry. All right, we'll do one last day. We're just gonna skip to it. We left low resistance liquidity. Oh, I'm on the 1 minute. I was like, what is this doing? All right, so right off bat, we've taken buy side liquidity, and we've had a change of state delivery here. That's pretty bearish. Bearish signature right there. I do like this low. It's in an imbalance. I think we definitely time though, but it's also about to be market open. That does look nice. What's ES looking like? Same type of stuff. We might have to mitigate. We might be mitigating a down close candle. Maybe. All right, let's see. Let's see if we get expansion here. We did not get expansion. We got a Judas. We came up, drew to buy side here. Into this imbalance. Oh, if I do like the look of this. Yeah, sell side. Fair value right here. Could have got stopped out here. But that's why, just wait for 1050 macro. Just wait for 1050 macro. 1050 macro, more often than not, the higher probability entry is that 950 macro is gonna be your oh my gosh, and a whole 100 points offered. All right. Anyways, oh shoot, I forgot to. I was gonna. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna head out of here, and I will be back tomorrow for another backtesting session. I will be doing these every single day. I will be doing these every single day. I will be doing these every single day, and I guess you guys will see if I'm consistent with it. Every single day I'll be backtesting. I had a little backtesting journal session here. I don't know. I might try to do everything on Notion. I might try to figure that out tonight. But anyways, I appreciate you guys. I will see you guys next week. And thanks for following me along on this journey. I appreciate y'all.